Now the other purple find option here underneath the advanced find is the results search. Now this is another pretty useful panel that's been specifically set up to give you more control over searching subject results. So on the left hand column here you can choose to turn on or off any of these columns that you'd like to use, any of these rows, sorry. So just a simple example here, I might look for A's and B's in 4 or more subjects, searching within all subjects, and we'll find that group of students. Okay, so the first thing to notice here is what it's actually returning is different. So normally you would return a list of students in the list view or students on the profile view. In this case it's found 78 students, but it's actually returned the subjects that match the criteria that I've asked for. So for each of these students, these are the A and B subjects that match the criteria that I asked for. So if I'd like to, I could save this report, but I could also just go to a profile or a list view. If I choose list view, that will take me to those 78 students, which is the normal way that you would get your results for this. So we'll just do another few examples of this result search to show you some of the things that you can do with it. So I might then group together the effort and behaviour along with the achievement scores. So I might look for A's and B's and a pass in effort and a pass in behaviour. Again, I can pick how many subjects I want to match that criteria, and I could search within all subjects, or if I wanted to, I could pick particular subject areas that I didn't want included, or just actually pick particular subject areas I did want included. In this case I'll choose continue, and I'll just put that back on all. So we're looking for A's and B's, a pass in effort, pass in behaviour in 5 or more subjects. And I've got here the AND search. So in this case all of these criteria must be met. If I chose OR, any of these criteria would show up as a match, but I'll leave that as an AND for the moment, and we'll find that group of students now. Okay, so I've got 60 students who have matched that criteria, and again we can show that in any of these other view options that we want. Okay, we'll do another results search example. In this case I might look for a fail in effort, behaviour or achievement. In this case I'm going to choose the OR option. So anyone who's failing any of those in at least 3 subjects. And here we have 7 students who are failing in one of those areas for at least 3 of their subject areas. Okay, so you can see there's lots of different flexibility and control over the search option that you might choose here. In this case I might look for failing effort, behaviour and achievement in 1 or more subject, but I might actually then pick my subject area. I'll clear all, and we'll just make that an English search. And we'll choose OR as well. So in this case, if they're failing in any of those areas in English, they should show up in this result. So again, here are the 5 students. These are passing the subject, but they're not passing in their behaviour or their effort score. Okay, so that's the results search there that gives you a lot of extra control